Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can install Dropbox app on your PC. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, we're going to log into our Dropbox account, and from the home page, we're going to go to the top right corner and click on Account. And then, from the drop-down menu, we're going to click on Install Desktop app. On the next window, we're going to click on Install, and then we're gonna wait for our download to finish. Once the installer is all downloaded, click on it and then click run. Wait for the download to finish in a few minutes, but once it's done, you're gonna see this window right here which says welcome to Dropbox. Click on let's go, then next, next, and then you're set. You now have Dropbox installed on your desktop. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!